Welcome! In this video, we'll guide you through every step of migrating Sage 300 CRE to a new server using the built-in migration tool. Before you start the migration, make sure you've completed these steps. All users are logged out of Sage 300 CRE. Backups of all company data and the 9.5 folder are complete and tested. You have administrative rights on both the old and new servers. The same or newer version of Sage 300 CRE is installed on the new server. On the new server, open the Timberline Office shared folder and run sage.sto servermigrator.exe. In the migration tool, use the Browse button to locate the folder. Select the path to the old server's 9.5 folder, then click Validate to confirm the path. Click Migrate to begin copying the application data. Monitor the progress bar and review the servermigrationlog.pdf for any errors or warnings. Next, run sage.sto.serverdataMigrator.exe to move company folders. Select the companies you want to migrate by checking the boxes. Verify the destination location is UAC compliant, not under program files. Click Validate and then Migrate data folders. Review the server data migration log for confirmation. If you use macros, select Migrate Macros and specify the printer to use after migration. Complete the update and review the log. Select Migrate Attachments and update paths as needed. Only use this if you do not use Sage Paperless Construction or TimberScan. If you use SPS or TimberScan, follow their specific migration steps. After migration, complete these steps. Disable all Sage shares on the old server to prevent accidental updates. Open Sage 300 CRE and update all file locations to UNC paths in company settings. Uninstall Sage 300 CRE from each workstation and reinstall from the new server share. Run File Doctor on each company to confirm data health. For troubleshooting or questions during your migration, Sage support is ready to help. If you prefer expert help with your migration, Sage Expert Services is a great option. Their certified consultants can handle the entire process remotely, securely, and with minimal downtime. The initial consultation is free and pricing is competitive based on your specific needs. Once you've completed your migration, watch our post-migration and common issues video for validation steps and troubleshooting tips.